Hello, my name is Kosala Bandara. I'm a research scientist in Autodesk based in London. My first degree was in civil engineering, after which I obtained a PhD in engineering, where my thesis was on shape optimization of mechanical parts. Next, I joined a startup working on lattice optimization for 3D printing, which got acquired by Autodesk around 10 years ago. Since then, I've been working on generative design, which is something pioneered by Autodesk Research. My background enabled me to apply this for both AEC and manufacturing industries, where Autodesk has a strong presence. What I like about working for Autodesk Research is the freedom it offers me to explore new research and the opportunity to influence product teams. For example, one of the generative design engines I worked in the past is now powering Fusion Generative Design. And another is currently being integrated into Forma, our new platform for AEC. Importantly, this is not the result of me working alone. Autodesk Research is full of very talented scientists, engineers, and software developers. We work as a team to deliver such amazing design tools to our customers who design and build our world. Over the last few years, there's been a lot of advances in generative design and generative AI. One of the trends I'm seeing now is how users are trying to validate solutions proposed by such systems. When it comes to engineering design, trust and validation are very important. Human designers have to understand and trust solutions by AI systems if they are to use them in the real world. In view of this, we've been moving towards more interactive design tools, where the human and AI system can collaborate on making the designs of the future. Thank you.